Alright, what's up guys? It's your girl Hannah back with another video. So today we are going to tell you guys how we met.
How we met and like our first encounters with each other and stuff.
And how we're going to do it is I'm going to be listening to music and like pretty loud so that I can't hear Abel. And he's going to be looking at me and telling what he thought when he, saw me, or like just his side of the story. Because there's two people, there's two sides of the story. After that, he's gonna be listening to music and I'm gonna give you guys my side of what I thought. So, do you wanna play my music?
Alright.
Something loud. Arctic Monkeys, dude.
It's loud. It doesn't. Can you hear anything?
I can't hear anything.
I think the first time I remember seeing you, I had kind of like heard who she was. It's like Hannah Blair, that like YouTube chick, and you were hanging out with
Neil
a lot, who's like this dude who looks like a model, and so I had seen them together just like walking, and I was like, damn, that's I thought they were a couple, so I was like, damn, that's a hot couple right there. And I think my sister had talked about you. That's how like I knew who you were. She was like, oh my gosh, that girl Hannah Blair is in the grade between us. And so one time I was just eating lunch with the group I normally sat with, and I saw that you were sitting with a group of my friends. Abby and Braden were with them, and there was some other friends too, and so I was like, ooh, now's my time. And so I went over because
Sonia,
this girl that I was sitting with, was like, oh my gosh, it's that Hannah Blair, the YouTube girl. And so I went over and I just like introduced myself. I was like, oh my gosh, you're Hannah Blair, the YouTube girl. And Braden corrects me. He says, no, she's an Instagram girl. Even though obviously she is both. And so then I was just kind of like making chit chat, asking her some, I don't know, just basic questions. And she complimented my hair, even though it was a really bad hair day for me. And that made me feel good. And then we didn't really talk or anything. I decided like a few days later, I decided to DM you. And I was like, hey, maybe we should, hang out sometime, pretty cool. Because I realized that she wasn't dating
Neil.
And she never read it or anything at first. And then the next day after I had DM'd her, on my way back from school, I like happened to run into her. And she was with this guy,
Steve,
who did not seem very like happy to see me in that moment. And so then I just kind of like skated. They were walking down this like really big hill, and I like skated down it. But then at the end there was this bush.
Wait, it just stopped! Oh, okay, next song.
And so I had to like jump over the bush, but I just heard
Steve
and Hannah like laughing. And then I went to this little creek spot, and I was on the phone, and then right after I got off my phone call, here comes Hannah with her dog Scooby-Doo, and yeah, we just kind of hung out for like 20 minutes down there, talked, got along really well. I loved Scooby. That was the first time I met Scooby. I guess later that night, she realized that I had DM'd her and was like, oh my gosh, it's such a coincidence that we just happened to hang out after you'd asked me if I wanted to hang out. And then I think, so from there on, we kind of went on like we hung out a few times, but the first time we ever kissed, we went to this abandoned hospital, and I don't think Hannah knew I was gonna kiss her, but then I went in for the kiss, and so it was kind of awkward, because like, I had just kissed her, but she didn't really kiss me back, and so I was kind of like, maybe she's not really the girl for me. And so then I kind of like took a step back, but we just kept wanting to hang out with each other, and kept wanting to like be in each other's lives. And it was just kind of like, hey, so yeah, it's a story.
You done?
Yeah.
It's like a song and a half. So I think Arctic Monkeys is actually like the perfect thing for us to do.
Is. Because it's just noise, it's just...
Yeah. So, first of all, I was a sophomore in high school. It was the second semester, it was just starting, and I got a new lunch. And first of all, I didn't really know anyone at this table because I just asked one girl in my class before lunch if I could just sit with her because I didn't know who was in this lunch. So I was just sitting like at this lunch full of kids I didn't really know, and Abel actually like comes over and sits down, and he actually like asked me, hey, are you Hannah Blair? Because like my friend over there was wondering if you were. And I was like, yeah? Like, what? And I was like, okay. Like, I kind of waved to the people he was talking about. And then we kind of just, like, didn't really talk much that day. And then the next day, he came over and he sat at that table again. And then I looked at him and I was like, hey, dude, what hair product do you use? Because you have some really good hair. And he had, like, the long hair up here, and it was, like, kind of curly, and it was short on the sides, and he just, like, it sat on his head so well. And I was like, what products are you using? And he's like, oh, I actually don't really use any products, or at least I didn't today. I do sometimes, but I didn't today. And I was just, like, straight impressed, because, like, this guy has style, this guy has good hair, like, that jawline, those brown eyes. I was like, okay, he's cute. Like, classified, cute boy. And then, this is probably, like, the same week, too, like, that, like, we kind of, like, just, like, talked here and there. When we saw each other at school, we would, like, wave at each other in the hallways. And so I kind of had it in my head that I don't know, I thought this boy that I went to school with was really cute. And then one day, my mom was taking me home, and she was taking me home, and we were driving through these back roads from school to our house. And I saw Abel walking by himself. And I immediately just ducked in the car. I was like, Mom, like, that's a boy that I really like. I don't want him to see me, because I don't know, I've been weird with, like, awkward eye contact. I didn't want him to turn and look at the car and just see me, and then, like, it was just weird, because I wanted to stare, but I didn't want to let myself stare, so I was just, like, literally ducked. Because I was like, I just felt like a girl who had seen, like, their crush that was, like, way out of their league or something. I ducked, and that's when my mom knew. She was like, Hannah, like, who is he? And I was like, Mom, just a cute boy, like. And then we actually ran into each other walking home. I was walking home one day with one of these dudes from one of my last class, and he was like, oh, like, you live close, like, I can show you the back ways, like, how to walk home. And so this was my first day walking home. And as soon as he started taking me through these back ways, I was like, in my head, I was thinking, like, oh, this is the way, like, I saw Abel go the other day. And, like, so I was just basically walking this back way with this other dude who, let's call him Steve. And Steve, I think, had a little crush on me. Like, he was, like, thinking, oh, this girl's gonna walk home with me, or, like, I'm gonna show her the back ways or something. But so we're walking, and literally, like, we're walking down this hill, and then I hear a skateboard coming, like, pretty fast behind me. And me and Steve both turn behind us, and I see Abel, and Abel's just on his skateboard, like, flying past us. And then I keep watching him, and he's heading straight for this bush. But then he literally just, like, as soon as he, like, almost gets to the bush, he just, like, jumps over the bush. It was pretty athletic, and I was like, okay, seems like a fun, cool dude, like, okay. And then, basically, I was like, hey, I know you. And then he was like, oh, hey, like, and then we, like, kind of, like, talked a little bit, and Steve was like, okay, I'm just gonna go. So Steve kind of walked off, because he was like, okay. And then I was, like, talking to Abel, and it was just, like, little, like, I don't know, small talk when you don't really know someone that well, but you, like, have a chance to actually have a conversation with them. And we're just like, oh, like, cool seeing you. And then we go our separate ways, right? I go home, and he goes down this part of the road. And then I open my Instagram account, and I look at my DMs, and I actually see that this dude has actually DM'd me, like, the night before this day. And he said, hey, like, I really like your account, and I really like your aesthetic and your crystals, and you're really pretty. And he just, like, was giving me all these compliments that, like, I don't know, my aesthetic and my crystals, like, that's not normal things that a guy would normally say. So I could tell he was putting a little bit more thought into it. And he would, like, send me, like, all these cute little emojis, and I was like, what does this do? Like, it's, like, I don't know, I was just kind of excited. And then I decided, okay, I'm gonna, like, go to the creek, because this is something I would do a lot. At my parents' house, we had a creek that ran right kind of next to my house, and I would take my dogs out to this creek a lot. And so this day, I was like, okay, I need some fresh air. So I'm gonna go outside and take my dog, Scooby-Doo, and I go to this creek, and guess who is literally just sitting there? It's Abel. He's just sitting there on the log, or just on some log, and like, He's on the phone, and it's funny because I let my dog kind of run loose once we get into the wilderness area. I see that someone was sitting down there, but I didn't know it was Abel. And so I wasn't going to go down there because I don't go down to the creek if I see a stranger's already there because it makes me uncomfortable. But Scooby, my dog, just runs down to the creek like right away and like just is running around the creek, and I'm like, shit, now I have to go get Scooby. I have to go get my dog, and I have to like confront the stranger or whatever. Hopefully they're not creepy. So I go down there to get Scooby, and then I'm like, oh, hey you again, like I just saw you. And then we basically just hit it off from there. Ever since that day, we started texting a lot and, you know, just getting to know each other over text. He literally worked at this pizza place right next to my parents' house. So, you know, after school, he would have to go to work. We'd walk home together, and then he'd have to go to work, and then we would just hang out after he got out of work. After he got out of work, he would just walk over to my parents' house, and then I remember this one night when I got, like, super excited that he was going to come over and like actually into my house, and it was after he got out of work, and I actually like made some like hot chocolate for both of us because it was like a cold rainy night. Actually no, it was tea. I made us both cups of tea because I think we had talked about how we both like tea, and I even like I set up a little blanket on my living room floor, and I put my little like portable heater out so we could like get cozy on the blanket next to the heater. And like he came in and he saw everything I did for him, and he was like, oh my gosh, that's so sweet. And I like grabbed his hand and I like pulled him over to where I set everything up, and he was like really flattered that I did that. But then his mom called him and she was like, hey, are you off work? Like I'm here to pick you up. And he was like, oh shoot, like no, I'm at this girl's house actually, like it's right next to my work though. And so he had to leave really shortly after that. But that was like I think when we both established that we like really liked each other. And then, yeah, from that point on, like, we just hung out every minute we could. Yeah, that's it.
Perfect timing. Now let's watch the whole thing.
But here we are, like, 3 years and 2 months later. Oh, wow, it's the first today. Yeah, it's exactly 3 years and 2 months later. Yeah.
Wow, so it's 38 months we've been together. It's a lot of months.
Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would help me out a lot. If you're not, please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. I post fashion and beauty videos and, you know, all that fun stuff. I also just talk about, you know, lifestyle stuff, girl stuff, whatever. And hit that bell notification button so you can be in the notification squad. It's the best squad to be in. And yeah, you guys have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.